Hello everyone, I'm Alistair and this is Laura from Lazarus Training.
Hello.
Don't know how your day started. My day's starting really kind of well, and interestingly, I've had to delay having my coffee this morning, which is obviously a big thing, but it's all in a really good cause because I'm about to be swabbed to check to see if I can go onto a bone marrow donor register to help fight leukemia, specifically childhood leukemia. Now Laura knows much more about it. I've been happy to not have my coffee and just show you it's a really painless process, and it only takes a couple of minutes out of your day and obviously could have a massive effect on somebody's life in the future. We're doing it with the organisation called DKMS. The website's dkms.org.uk. You can find out more, you can order your own swab kits. It's a really simple process, as we're about to see.
So all you do is you fill out the paperwork and then you get these envelopes and these swabs. In each swab there's 3 of them. Now don't touch the swab, let the person touch the swab. So Alistair, take one swab please and do your left outer side in the cheek. And idea obviously is to get it nice and wet as well, so they've got more chance to get more DNA off of it. Perfect, into the envelope,
yep,
thank you. And then finally the last one, that goes everywhere.
Okay, sure. While I'm doing this, perhaps you can tell us about the information they gather on the form, which is quite basic and quite simple, but just feels the quiet moment while I'm doing this.
Okay, so the information, it is a bit personal information that you have to put on there. You have to put your weight, your height, your address, your gender, and then obviously then once they've decided that you're okay for that and you're under the age, because you can't be over the age of 55 to do this, to go onto the website, onto their bone marrow transplant. And there's certain illness that you can't have, like if you've got diabetes or if you've had cancer in the past, you can't go on that list. But apart from that, it goes perfectly well. Thank you.
That's it.
So that's it, and hopefully in about 10 days' time, you'll receive your card to say that you're on the list.
Excellent.
Thank
Good
you
stuff.
very much.
No problem. Time to have my coffee. You can see it only takes a few seconds, and imagine the impact it could have on somebody at some point in the future.